Children, now today let us discuss the topic similarities. As the word suggests, similarity, similar means similar things. Not exactly the same thing, it's similar things. So before going on or moving to this chapter, this topic similarity, let us first go through the topic congruency, which we have done in the last 2 years. Two triangles are said to be congruent when they are equal each way. Each way means they are equal sidewise, the corresponding sides are equal. All the three sides are equal to each other, all the three corresponding sides are equal to each other, all the three corresponding angles are equal to each other. The area of ABC is equal to area of PQR means when the two triangles are proved congruent, what do we get the result? We get result that all the three angles, all the three sides and the area of the triangle are equal. Result, we get three sides, three angles and the area is also equal. So by proving these two triangles congruent, we get these three results. Now, what is similarity? Size is equal, then only congruent. But in case of similarity, a very small triangle can be similar to a bigger triangle. Like if you are making a model of a Taj Mahal or any other monument or any other building, actually the building is very much bigger, like Taj Mahal is very much bigger. But when we purchase a model or a sample of that Taj Mahal, it looks similar to the original actual Taj Mahal or any monument. So how do we make that? It's similar means when we are making the model likewise, the angle is same, the height is in the same ratio, then we are able to make the model and look like the original monument. So if the two triangles are proved similar, like in case of congruency, what is proved? These three are proved. When we prove the two triangles similar, what do we get? We get two things. Like here in case all the three angles are equal, in this case also all the three angles are equal. The corresponding angles are equal when proved similar. But the sides, like in case of congruency, the sides are not equal. Instead, the ratio of the sides are equal. Ratio means the ratio of the corresponding. Suppose this side is corresponding to this side. So AB upon PQ ratio will be equals to BC upon QR. It's BC upon QR, AC upon PR. The three corresponding side ratio is equal, not the sides are equal. The ratio of the sides are equal. So this result we get on proving similarity. Now how to prove the two triangles similar? There are three tests for similarity. There are three tests for similarity. How to prove the two triangles similar? Two triangles similar. There are three tests for similarity. The two triangles are said to be similar if any of the properties, three properties exist. First is angle-angle property. Angle-angle property means two angles are equal. It will be given in the question that this angle equal to this angle, this is equal to this equal to 50, these two equals to 70. If two angles are equal to each other, corresponding angles are equal to each other, then we can say that these two triangles are similar. If two angles are not equal, not given in the question, only one angle is given equal to each other. Angle A is equal to angle P. This is given to each that this is given these two angles are equal to each other. Then side must be given. So AB upon, see the corresponding side. What is corresponding side? Suppose this angle equal to this angle. So the adjacent sides are corresponding sides. So one from the one figure, the other side from the second triangle, 3 upon 6, take out the ratio, 3 upon 6, it is coming 1 upon 2 on solving it out. Same way, If this is angle equal to this angle, take the side adjacent on the other side of the given angle. 6, again corresponding side means whatever side is adjacent to the given angle, we have to take those sides, they are called corresponding sides. So 6 upon 12, 6 upon 12, that is 1 upon 2. This is corresponding side, this is again coming 1 upon 2. So we can see that the sides are not equal. Instead, the ratio of the sides are equal. So they are said to be, so what we have got? We have got the angle, we have got the ratio, two ratios equal. So these two triangles are similar. Now if in the question it is not given, the angle is not a single angle is given, then the three sides must be given. Now take out the ratio of these two sides. 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2, 5 upon 10, 5 upon 10, this is again 1 by 2, 6 upon 12, this is again, that means the ratio of the three sides are equal, then the two triangles are said to be similar. Means any of the three data will be given in the question, any of the three, not all, not two, only one data will be given, and you have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Now next is basic proportionality theorem. Though this is not coming in the syllabus, but the result may be used by you in the question. This time in 2021, we are not getting this is not in the reduced syllabus, so this may not come, but the result may be used. So what is basic proportionality theorem? Now next is basic proportionality theorem. According to this question, any question can be done with the help of similar triangles or with BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Means if we don't want to apply BPT or basic proportionality theorem, we can apply the theorem of similarity. So I am just discussing what is BPT. Suppose these two triangles are given. One triangle is contained inside the another triangle.